Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Be Confident. Today we are with the top 5 free photo editing tools for Windows users. Coming to the first one, Adobe Photoshop Express. The Photoshop Express gives you everything you needed to quickly edit and transform the image. This software will be available in your Play Store. You can download it to your PC. Coming to the second one, Doctable. Doctable is a free and open source photography application software. You can download it here, and links for these sites are mentioned in the description. Coming to the third one, IrfanView. IrfanView is a graphic viewer. It is a fast and compact. It is provided as a freeware, but only for a private and a non-commercial use. And this software can be downloaded here. The links provided here, and you can use those softwares and the plugins to your devices. Coming to the fourth one, GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source raster graphic editor used for image manipulation and image editor and for free form drawings. And you can download the software from here and you can use it for free. Coming to the fifth one, RawTheWrap. RawTheWrap is a powerful and cross-platform raw photography processing system, which is a free and open source software, and this is available in these four versions, and you can download it to your PCs and use it. The links for these sites are mentioned in the description, so check it out. That's it guys. Thank you for watching our video. Hope so you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button so that you will get updated from our channel. If you want any videos from us, please comment below. Thank you guys. We will be back with another video soon.